Hello, and welcome to the Snoring the Cure website. You're about to discover the most amazing, natural, and revolutionary system ever developed to help people stop snoring. The Snoring the Cure program is proven to work, and you can start feeling results from your very first day on the program. You don't need any prescription pills or medication. No mouth, nose, headpieces, or heavy, expensive equipment of any kind. You won't need any surgery or complicated diets. With Snoring the Cure, you can solve your snoring problem the natural way. By curing your snoring problem with the Snoring the Cure program, you can improve your life in a variety of ways. Your breathing and health can improve. You can sleep better, have more mental clarity, feel energized, and just be happier. You can save your marriage and your life. Don't wait any longer. Stop your suffering today. Order now.
After you do all these exercises, you are ready to start with the most simple and powerful techniques. You must do all these exercises and techniques correctly in order to have the results you are looking for. Please repeat these twice a day. After you master these exercises and techniques, you will be able to do them anywhere. These techniques will help you open up and strengthen the muscles in your throat and keep it open and clear the blockages that can cause you to snore. Technique number 6. Sit up straight and look at the ceiling. Roll up your tongue and push it against the roof of your mouth, making the sound la, la, la. Make sure you keep pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth as you make the sounds. La, la, la. Repeat for 5 sets of 5, resting a minute after each set. La, la.